Professional quality. Each tool is made to a high standard, the perfect heavy-duty toolkit for any novice or professional alike. Made with stainless steel and quality composite, this grill kit is built to last. Plus, all tools are dishwasher safe for quick and easy barbecue cleanup. 5 tools. 2 oversized professional-grade restaurant-style stainless steel spatulas, great for flipping burgers, pancakes, veggies and all other grill or griddle applications. 1 stainless steel chopper scraper to dice food and scrape griddles clean. 2 premium leak-free fine-tip bottles for condiments and liquids like oil or water. Free gift. Enjoy an exclusive bonus cookbook titled The Art of Griddle Cooking with several mouthwatering griddle recipes including lemon blueberry pancakes, blue cheese sliders, griddle pizza and more. A must-have. Looking for a great gift idea for that special someone? This Blackstone grill toolkit is the perfect addition to any backyard kitchen and will complement your Blackstone griddle as well as your Weber, Charbroil, Coleman or any other barbecue or grill you and your loved ones enjoy. Top reviews from the United States. Great set. Love it. Everything in the set works great, sometimes tough to get the grease off, just need a good dishwasher.